stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. Dream a little dream of me. Sing nighty night and kiss me. Just hold me tight and tell me you'll miss me. While I'm alone and blue as can be. Dream a little dream of me. Stars fading but you linger up there. Still craving your kiss. I'm longing to linger till dawn, dear. Just saying this. Sweet dreams till sunbeams find you. Sweet dreams that leave all worries far behind you. But when your dreams, whatever they be, dream a little dream of me. Dream a little dream of me. Dream a little dream of me. Hello. As you can see, it's been snowing here, which is really nice. It makes it really feel like winter time. I mean, obviously it's cold, but it kind of makes the cold worth it. It's actually been kind of dangerous. The initial snow is okay, but when it sticks to the road and the paths, it's really slippery. So I've been kind of walking like an old lady because I don't have the right shoes to deal with slippery ice. I've always wondered what it would be like to walk on an ice rink or something, but after doing it here, I gotta say, not really a fan. But it's been nice to have a bit of a frolic, made some snowballs and threw them at my wall. As you can see, I'm by myself again, though not for long. One of my classmates has found herself without a place to stay for a little while, so offered my place. And yeah, so that means I should probably have someone with me until the end of winter. My throat's a little bit dodgy. You have no idea how many times I had to sing that. I did a few perfect takes and every time my camera wasn't recording because I'm an idiot. I'll have a video up in another couple of days probably because yeah, lots been happening and I want to tell you, but not on a Sunday. I can't be bothered. Anyway, what the